Hello, I'm Will Bramble. I'm the Chief Executive of Pembrokeshire County Council, and I'm going to say a little bit about why Pembrokeshire and Pembrokeshire County Council is such a great place to work. Well, I think when you live here, it's fairly obvious. It's a hugely diverse, natural environment, rich, positive, an area of deep conservation, 3 stunning coastlines. The people are hugely embracing. Doesn't matter whether you're a local or an outsider, they will treat you very much as one of their own very, very quickly. Very, very warm place to live. And finally, I think the opportunities on the work front, and I'm not just talking about working in Pembrokeshire County Council, I'm talking about working in the thematics and the communities and the businesses that we work with in partnership. We have 3 principal industries here. Agriculture, of course, probably our most traditional, but still very, very prominent. A growing tourism sector that we're hugely excited about and that we need to increasingly put on a sustainable footing. And finally, energy. We look after the UK's biggest energy port. Critically important at the moment given world events, but we're on a journey, a transitional journey, to pivot towards and deliver what we hope will be the UK's biggest sustainable energy offer, looking at decarbonising our classic industries, green hydrogen, floating offshore wind in the Celtic Sea. Probably start with our sort of unifying purpose, our mission, working together, improving lives. And those 2 elements make it a rather special place to live. And that's not just a strap line. We all, I think, from every employee in the council and those elected members of council all truly believe in that unifying statement. Working together both internally, in small teams, but more widely with stakeholders and partnerships, and then improving lives. We're a collaborative lot. I thought after leaving the army after 35 years, would you find a place where people genuinely had a sense of team, and I found it. This is a place where team is really important. And then, improving lives. Everything we do is about improving lives, whether it's fixing the roads, collecting the waste, teaching children in our 61 schools, delivering social care. Everything we do is about improving lives, and we hope very much making a positive impact on the people of Pembrokeshire. So that's why it's a very, very special place to live. Well, the first thing is pick up the phone and speak to us. Speak to me, get hold of some of the officers here and have a chat with them. Find out what it's really like. Don't take my word for it, but speak to us. You'll have no regrets. You'll thoroughly enjoy it. People will embrace you, but just do it.